अच्छा ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਸ਼ ਖੇਲ ਹੀ ਰਹੇ हैं।
Hey guys, so finally I am ready and this is how I look. Now we are going to the mall road of Shimla and we're gonna have our lunch there. The people are busy clicking pictures, so I'll keep you guys updated. Bye. Hi guys, we are in Shimla and we are at the mall road and we just had our momos. Did you like them? Yeah, totally. So guys, we are here and I'm with Haneet and I met her on this trip and she's such a sweet person and I'm loving her company. So where are we? We are in Shimla and we are going towards the historic
and the most prestigious
church of Shimla
for a visit.
I'm gonna take you there. So as I promised you guys, I'll come inside the church. So I'm here and it's so quiet here. I don't think I should be speaking a lot. So you guys can see how it looks. Hi guys, so it's the end to day 2. Throats are gone, we danced a lot and I had the best time of my life and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So bye and good night.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैगी खा लो। मैगी आज मैंने मैगी बनाई है, खाओगे आप?
बहुत टेस्टी है।
इसे तो आप जानते हो गए, ये मेरा बेटा है।